bus stops that you can get onto to go to other cities and other places in the Netherlands. But right now we're in the sun, and the days blur into one in the backs of my eyes. All the things I've never done. Sheets are swaying from an old clothesline like a row of crabs.
They go every 10 minutes.
It's never much, but we've made the most. Welcome are launching from my chest. Some have names, but most do not. If you find one, please let me know. Okay, so this is the Pate, and it's the big movie theater in the Hague. And there's one also down the street over there, which is where all of the shops are and the shopping streets, which are all walking over. So let's go. So this is the main shopping street in The Hague, and it has all of your different types of stores, like clothing stores, shoe stores, lingerie, and all your gadgets and such.
Your gadgets? We are currently walking in the Passage. It's a beautiful building. Architecture, magnificent. Stores, awesome. Just
perfect. Like a row of captured ghosts. This is the state. This is basically the central part of The Hague, and down here there are more shops and there are restaurants over there. So yeah.
yeah.
Ships are launching from my chest. Some have names, but most do not.
Hi guys, it is now 12 o'clock and I just got my morning smoothie. Great start of the day. And I would like to inform you all that the stores here, they don't close very late, but it's okay. It opens on every day except Sundays. They're open from 8 in the morning till 5 or 6:30, depending on the store. And something very nice here is on Sundays, they're open from 12 till 5 or 6:30. But there's one day which is special, and that is Thursday. The stores are open all the way till 9 o'clock. Woohoo! And this is the American bookshop where they only have English books, and it's full of magazines like Seven or car magazines, and it has novels and just everything, and it's all in English. This is a small little square, which is really cozy in the afternoon. There are tons of people, and it's just crowded place where you can have a nice cup of coffee with friends or family.
So this is the Buitenhof, and this is also considered the center of The Hague. As you can see, it's very beautiful, and it's really nice to come here and take long walks with your loved ones and enjoy the scenery.